Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make the header transparent on your Shopify store. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in my Shopify admin panel. So the first thing that you need to do guys is go right here to the left side of your screen. After that, go down until you find online store. Once you click on online store, go ahead and click on themes. And then from here, you can scroll down to popular free themes. And if you like any of those themes, go ahead and click on add and it will be added to your theme library. If you want to see more themes, go ahead and click on add theme and then you click on visit theme store where you can find some paid themes or free themes to add to your store. So right now we're gonna click on customize. And then once you click on customize, you're gonna be right here in the editor. So as you can see guys, right here, you're gonna find the announcement bar and under it, you're gonna find the header. So go ahead and click on the header. And as you can see guys, now it's selected right here. You can hide it from here, or you can also show it if you click on this little eye. And as you can see guys, right here in the left, in the right, you're gonna find a menu where you're gonna have all the tools that you need in order to edit the header. So basically right here, you're gonna find the logo position, the menu, desktop menu type, sticky header, and under it, you're gonna find the color. So if you go to the color scheme, go ahead and click on edit. And as you can see, guys, those are the colors. And you can go ahead and click on any color that you want, for example, background. And you can remove the color from here. And once you remove the color, it's gonna be transparent. Once you finish, go ahead and click on save. And then your changes will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.